Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you need to remove the old one. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch, if you undo the Velcro on your strap, you will see that on the back of your watch, on strap, you have this lever you can pull on one side, and on the other side you have this Velcro, and you can't really, you can pull it through the bar right here, but I believe this thing will stop you completely, the thing at the end, so you won't be able to pull it out completely. But there is a way to do it. Okay, so to unclip it on this side, you need to pull on this lever. I don't know if you can see it completely. Let me do it like this. You need to pull on this lever, and once you pull on it towards the middle of the strap, it will release the mechanism and it will allow you to pull out the strap. And how this mechanism works is basically when you pull on the lever, it attacks the pin that is locked inside of the hole on the watch right here, and basically allows you to remove the strap. And on the other side, you need to rotate this metal bar and look for this opening on it right here. And what you need to do is to either use something flat or fingernail and pull towards the, basically this is also a lever you can pull on, and you can pull on it like this, and once you pull on it, oh well, that happened. Well, usually it doesn't shoot into a sky like this. Let me get it. But well, it went quite far, to be honest. The tension on the spring was higher than expected. Come on. Okay, we got this. And here we have our I don't know how to even call it, a bar pin that was blocking the strap. And now you can remove the strap, and you can also just simply insert this thing back on if you want to, but I would wait till you get your new strap, and then once you get your new strap and you want to put it back on, you grab your watch, grab the strap, get the end with this lever, you put it on one of the sides, basically the side opposite from the lever. You insert it into a hole on the watch, and once you do, you pull on the lever, align it on the other side, release the lever, and it will hold like this. So basically you insert it, you pull on the lever, align it, and it will hold. And the other side, just let me grab the pin. It went somewhere again. I lost it. Give me a second. Okay, I found it. And here we have our pin. And what you need to do is to take the strap, put it like this, then take a pin, insert it on the one side, like this, of course. Then pull on it again with the fingernail or something flat, align it, and release it when it's next to the hole. And then you will have your strap like this. And now the strap is attached to your watch. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.